Twinkling in the vastness of the night sky is not just another ordinary star, but a cosmic treasure unlike anything you could imagine. Scientists have discovered a star that is essentially one gigantic diamond floating in space. This glittering jewel is not a fantasy, it is a very real white dwarf star known as BPM 37093, and it is located about 50 light years away from Earth in the constellation Centaurus. What makes this star so astonishing is that it is made up mostly of crystallized carbon, the very same element that diamonds on Earth are formed from. But unlike the ones we wear on our fingers, this diamond star spans a staggering 4,000 kilometers across. This is no ordinary gemstone. This is a diamond of truly galactic proportions. This celestial diamond has been given a rather poetic name, Lucy, inspired by the Beatles classic Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. And the connection could not be more perfect. Lucy is the remnant of a once shining star that lived a life much like our sun. It burned brightly for billions of years before exhausting its nuclear fuel and collapsing under its own gravity. What remains now is its hot, dense core, a white dwarf made mostly of carbon and oxygen. Over time, as the core cooled, scientists suspected that the intense pressure would cause the carbon atoms to crystallize, forming an enormous diamond. But it was just a theory for decades, and no one could say for sure. That all changed when astronomer Travis Metcalf and his team at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics took on the challenge to uncover the truth. Using advanced telescopes and sensitive instruments, they studied the way Lucy pulsated. Yes, this diamond star vibrates like a cosmic gong, sending out subtle rhythmic signals into the universe. By carefully analyzing these pulsations, Metcalf and his team were able to peer inside the white dwarf, just like geologists use earthquake waves to understand what lies beneath the Earth's surface. What they found confirmed a long-held scientific prediction. The core of this white dwarf had indeed solidified into a gigantic crystal, the largest diamond ever known. Put Lucy's size into perspective, let's compare it with the largest diamond on Earth, the Golden Jubilee, a gem that weighs in at a mere 546 carats. In contrast, Lucy is estimated to weigh 10 billion trillion carats. That number is almost beyond comprehension. It makes Earth's most valuable diamonds look like tiny grains of sand next to a mountain of glittering ice. Imagine a diamond so vast you could never hope to hold it or even see all of it at once. A gem that would require a jeweler's loupe the size of the sun just to grade it. And that's exactly how Metcalf described it. It is a diamond of impossible scale, born not in the Earth's crust but in the heart of a dying star. But Lucy is not just fascinating because of her size or brilliance. She also represents a cosmic fate that awaits our very own sun. Billions of years from now, when our sun runs out of nuclear fuel, it will shed its outer layers and leave behind a core just like Lucy's. It will become a white dwarf, slowly cooling and eventually crystallizing. Just as Lucy has, scientists predict that around 7 billion years from now, the sun's core will also become a gigantic diamond, a radiant ember quietly floating in the center of our solar system, a diamond that truly is forever silently marking the grave of the star that once gave life to Earth. This incredible discovery not only confirms theories about the life and death of stars, but also expands our understanding of the universe in the most dazzling way. It reminds us that the cosmos is full of wonders that often defy imagination. Stars are not just fiery balls of gas. They are complex, evolving objects that can become things as unexpected and beautiful as diamonds. The science that revealed Lucy's true nature is a testament to human curiosity, patience, and ingenuity, and it opens up a new way of thinking about the life cycle of stars and what secrets they might still be hiding. Lucy also raises philosophical questions about permanence and transformation. A star that once burned with fierce energy now rests as a cold, quiet jewel in the sky, once a blazing source of light and heat, now an eternal monument of its former glory. In many ways, Lucy is a metaphor for change, the idea that even in death, there can be beauty and meaning, even as something fades. it can give birth to something everlasting and brilliant, a true treasure left behind by time itself and floating peacefully in the depths of space. As we look up into the night sky, knowing that among the stars there is one that is a diamond larger than any treasure found on earth, it sparks a sense of wonder, it brings a shimmer of magic to astronomy and reminds us of how much more there is to discover. Perhaps there are more diamond stars out there waiting to be found, each one telling its own story of birth, life, death, and transformation. We have barely scratched the surface of the cosmos, and each new revelation brings us one step closer to understanding the grand design of the universe. So the next time you gaze up into the sky, remember that among those countless points of light, one of them is Lucy, the shining crystal heart of a dead star spinning silently in the darkness, a symbol of what once was and what might become. And maybe one day far in the future, when humanity has spread among the stars, Lucy will not just be a marvel seen from afar, but a destination, a monument, a cosmic diamond that links science, music, wonder, and eternity all in one shining point of light. And who knows what other celestial treasures are out there waiting to be found. So keep looking up, because the universe always has more secrets to share, and every star might just be hiding a surprise waiting to shine. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing space discoveries and mysteries from the universe. Your curiosity keeps us exploring and sharing. So join us as we continue our journey through the cosmos and uncover the incredible stories written in the stars.